happened to your mouth?
I put lipstick on it to marry someone.
Oh. Is that what you need to get married, is lipstick?
Yeah.
And does that help you marry a boy or a girl?
It's for a dress-up tea party.
Oh, that's enough.
That's right. Where did you get that lipstick?
Greg, look at
What about you? Now, are you going to get married?
Yeah. And do you know the sequence that we say?
No.
Get ready for the tea party.
Oh my goodness. Now, do you have a girlfriend?
And then,
Is it up tight?
No girlfriend for you? Are you ever going to have a girlfriend? All right.
But I like Ferraris.
You like Ferraris?
Yeah.
What's a Ferrari?
At the race car.
So you're going to marry a Ferrari?
No. I'm not gonna marry a Ferrari. I took a photo of me. Yeah.
I am.
Am
So,
I?
what is that you have on your face?
It's lipstick.
Now, you know, one day you're going to be very embarrassed about these pictures.
Can I see?
No, the birthday.